Now let's call it something else. We'll call it extra page. Now linking to this extra page inside the more pages folder is going to be a little more tricky. So for now, just realize that if you're linking to any page in the same folder, you can just use this simple index.html. And in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to link to that page inside that other folder. So we hit OK, and now the link is created for us. Now to link to the FAQ page, let's highlight this, and we select the link. Now, we know that that page is called FAQ, and it's FAQ.html. So let's click on FAQ, and you see at the end it's got this FAQ.html. Well, we can take that, we can right click, we can cut it, which means it puts it on our clipboard, it gets it off of here. Now we can go back to that file and we can paste it here. Right click, paste. Okay, FAQ.html. So we don't have to choose the file. And I want you to get in the habit of starting to do this, where you go and get the name of that page and just type it in yourself, because when you start to do a little bit of hand coding and a little bit of editing your own websites, you're going to need to be familiar with that. So this gives you practice. So we hit OK, and now we've got a link to the FAQ. Now let's go to the About Us page, highlight, click on link. Now About Us, we remembered, was aboutus.html, and we confirm it, aboutus.html, so we hit OK. And contact, let's highlight that, and let's click on link. And just to make sure we called it the right thing, let's go here. It was just called contact, but if we double click, and then we go up here, and we see that it's called contact.html, we can right click, and we can either cut or copy. Cut removes it from there, copy just leaves it there, but it puts it on our thing. So we copy it, and then we go back over to where we can edit, and we paste it, right click, paste, puts it right in here, and we hit OK, and we're done. So now let's go to File, Save As, and this is the index page. So we hit OK. Do I want to replace it? Yes, because I'm overwriting the old file. And if I go back into my folder, my website folder, and let's click on the index page and see if we can link to the other pages on the site. So if we go down to the bottom where our menu is, you can see these are all links. They're all visited because I just visited those websites. So these, when you do this, you'll see that they're pink, but when you upload this to the web, they're going to be blue links. So let me double click and see if it takes me to the home page. And it takes me back to the home page. Let's double click on the FAQ, and here are the answers to some of our most frequently asked questions. Very good. Now we don't have the menu on these other pages yet, so we're going to have to update that. So for now, I will just use the back button. Let's go to the About Us page. Here is where you can find out all about us, our website, and everything we love about, blah, blah, blah. Let's hit back again, and let's see if the contact page works. Okay, so we can see this is the contact page. Please read the details below about how to contact us. And we already know that the RapidForex links works, but we'll just make sure. Okay, very good. So this menu works. So now we can copy it and start putting it on our other pages. So we go back to Mozilla where we can edit, and we can highlight this whole menu. And if we go up here and highlight the line above, it's going to preserve the formatting, hopefully. So we highlight everything, we right click, and we hit copy. Now we open another page. Let's open the FAQ page, and let's highlight our text. Now let's hit right click, paste. Okay, and maybe we want to leave a little space underneath our menu. And we can go to File, Save As, and this was our FAQ page. And yes, we'll replace that.